Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Vasimullah and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in 3dsmax how to use the TerrainTool, how to for what purpose you use it. Before telling that, subscribe my channel and also share with your friends, colleagues, and your family, friends. Make a rectangle in 3dsmax. Make a ellipse tool. I will tell you for what purpose we use terrain, like hills area we use. Draw a circle. It must be a subline, okay? It must not be a standard primitives object tools. It must be sublines, 2D shapes, 2D sublines, or 2D element. Make a small circle. First I have drawn the big circle and now the small circle in the top viewport. Now select the ellipse and two circles and scale it, make it big. Select the two circle and make it downward. Select the three ellipse tool and two circles, make it downward. Now place the ellipse tool to the top side and make sure that it must be on the top of the rectangle, that ellipse tool. Second, take a big circle that must be top on the ellipse tool. They must be one on each of the they must be on the top of the object, each of the top of the object. Now place a small circle, then make it upward, small circle. Now go to the terrain option. From here select standard primitives, and from here standard primitives select compound objects. First select the rectangle and then apply terrain. To make a hill area, mountains, we use terrain. Pick operand. Now select the ellipse tool, then the big circle and then the small circle. As you can see, the surface is top. It is like hill on the front viewport. Now you can see I haven't increased the their topness to one another. Now make it now you can see the surface is not flat, it's looking like hilly area, hill like something top side. In the front view you can see it. Now let me undo it. I will drag it upward so that it will look like top side. First select ellipse tool, make it to the top side. It was not showing in surface was not too big in height, so I want to make it like a hill, like mountain surface. With this star you can make a mountain. Pick a operand. Now select the ellipse tool, second option, third big circle, and fourth small circle. Now you can see the surface in the perspective viewport. As you can see, it is not flat, it's coming from top to bottom. It is having like in the middle you can see it somehow a hill type, mountain type. Now with this I have told you the how to use the terrain tool. I will be back with the next tutorial.